Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you're signed into the correct Google account because Classroom ties classes to that identity. Once done, click or tap the class link provided by your teacher. If a browser asks, allow it to open in Google Classroom or continue in the web view. This ensures the join token transfers correctly. Make sure pop-ups aren't blocked and that you use a supported browser. If you see a sign-in screen, enter credentials for the account linked to the class. You'll land on the Classroom preview where you can review the class name, teacher, and section. This helps prevent joining the wrong class. Once you confirm, click the Join button. Some classes require Ask to Join, which sends a request to the teacher. If the link includes a class code, enter it in the Join class field. After joining, allow the page to load fully so Classroom can sync announcements, classwork, and materials to your Stream and Classwork tabs. After joining, make sure you see a welcome post in Stream and Classwork items listed. That confirms successful enrollment. If Classroom rejects the link or shows an error, clear browser cache, disable extensions, or open the link in an incognito/private window. Sometimes switching devices or browsers fixes token issues. If problems persist, take a screenshot of the error and message your teacher with account details so they can resend an invite or check class settings. This quick step resolves most access problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.